McKinley Health Center is celebrating our 100th year anniversary. This was made possible due to a generous donation made by Senator William B. McKinley. McKinley originally was a hospital for students and faculty. Today, we are the official campus health center and a driving force of innovation, keeping Illinois students well to excel. For a century, we have been delivering healthcare services, touching lives, and making a difference. We are dedicated to promoting the health and well-being of students while fostering a welcoming and inclusive environment where all students feel comfortable seeking care. McKinley is an integral part of the university, providing advisory expertise to campus administration. Our values of safety, quality, and service guide us in enhancing and expanding our services to meet the evolving needs of our diverse campus community. As McKinley advances its mission, we will ensure its services remain relevant and effective for the future needs of our campus. Join us as we celebrate our 100th year anniversary and look forward to the next 100 years of excellence.